Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. Happy New Year and welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $239.57 in 60 minutes watching ads. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now guys, let's start off the new year right by following me on Instagram. I have a lot of valuable information on Instagram that will help you on your journey of becoming a successful entrepreneur. So please go to Instagram and search for App Grind, or you can just click on the link below. And once you get to my account, give me a follow and DM me that you have followed me by just saying follow, and I'll follow you back. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the website and the name of this website is Ad Wallet. So it says here, brands want your attention. Make them buy it. So get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3. Plus unlock exclusive offers. And this is how it looks inside, guys. They do have an app. So this is how it looks inside the app. So you're going to earn real money online from your favorite brands. So first you're going to watch a video. So you're going to receive a text when it's time to log in to watch a short video handpicked just for you. Then you're going to get rewarded. Earn a minimum of 50 cents up to $3 per video interaction. And you're going to make more money. Earn additional $1 for every friend you refer, plus download offers from brands you love. How about that, guys? So they got a couple of ways you can make money on here, guys. But for the sake of this video, we're going to talk about watching ads. So when you reach $10, cash out. No catch, no gimmicks, or confusing point systems. It's real cash. So let's click right here where it says see payout options. So here are the payout options. So it's easy to get paid to watch video ads, complete online survey. So they also have online surveys, guys. We offer 3 ways to get paid. Choose one that is best for you. So you can get paid through MasterCard, prepaid card, Amazon gift card, Target, or you can donate. This is what people are saying about Ad Wallet. So this person right here, Angela, says, I think everybody should have this on their phone. And Kimberly says, the ads are all catered to my personality. And this person right here said, Ad Wallet introduced me to new companies in my area. And Kevin, he says, you actually make money doing it. So these people are very satisfied making money on this website. Now, guys, brands spent $250 billion last year just to get your attention. So this is why it's good to get on this website, because you can make some easy money, because brands are spending a whole bunch of money to get our attention, guys. And our attention can make us money. Now let's just scroll down to frequently asked questions. So how do I get an ad wallet? So to sign up, simply click here to create an account. Keep in mind you must sign up with an active cell phone number, an email you can verify to be at least 13 years old. If you are reading this, you have not signed up yet. Use promo code FAQ to earn your first $1. Now, speaking of money, it says here, how can I cash out the money I've earned? So sweet. If you are ready to cash out, that means you have earned at least $10. Congrats, cashing out is easy. Simply tap the redeem button at the bottom of ad wallet account. Choose from over 200 gift cards from America's top brands. So guys, that's all you have to do. Very, very simple to cash out. And these are just the companies that advertise on ad wallet. See some big time companies. You got DoorDash, Southwest, Airbnb. So you have a lot of big companies that advertise on here. So guys, this is very, very simple to get started with this website. You can make some good money just watching ads. All you have to do is just watch 30-second ads and get paid, guys. So to get started, go ahead and go to adwallet.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, before I end this video, I want to do one more thing, and I want to do a shout out. So the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I pop it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate it. Keep watching my videos. Keep hitting that like button. And if you share my videos, keep sharing. Help this channel to grow. Okay guys, that's it. Road to 7,000. Road to 7,000 subscribers. We got to get there, guys. We got to get there by the end of this month. It's January. I know we're going to get there, guys. So all you have to do is just keep sharing this. Keep hitting that like button, guys. All my videos that I drop. All right. That's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and have a prosperous new year.